We know by experience that we as Christians are not exempt from storms. Even the disciples, just as we have heard in the gospel, did not expect or did not presume that they, since they are disciples, they are exempt from storms. That is why they did not ask the Lord, why do you allow these storms to happen to us? No, they didn't ask that question. Alam ng mga alagad na ang bagyo na dumarating sa kanila nung oras na yon ay bahagi ng kanilang karanasan. Kaya mga minamahal kong kapatid, huwag tayong magtaka kung kahit na tayo ay tapat sa Diyos, kahit na tayo ay nagdarasal, nagsisimba, gumagawa ng mabuti, huwag tayong magtaka kung sa kabila ng lahat ng ito, nakakaharap pa rin natin o nararanasan pa rin natin ang mga mabibigat na pagsubok ng buhay. Sabi nga ng isang awit, I did not promise you a rose garden. When we followed the Lord, He did not promise us that everything will be smooth, that everything will happen according to our plan, that there will be no storms. He did not promise that. But what He promised us is that He will be with us during storms. Yun naman ang pangako niya. Kaya yung mga alagad parang pinagalitan niya, Bakit? Bakit kayo natatakot? Kasama niyo ako eh. Kung lumubog man tong barkong ito, kasama niyo akong lulubog. Kaya mga ginigili kong kapatid, kapag humaharap tayo sa mabigat na pagsubok ng buhay, tandaan natin, hindi natin ito hinaharap ng mag-isa. Kapag tayo ay nagpapasan ng ating krus, huwag nating isiping pinapasan natin itong mag-isa. Sa lahat ng pagsubok ng buhay, hinaharap natin ito kasama ang Diyos. The Lord did not promise us a smooth life without storms, but the Lord promised us that He will be with us until the end. Amen.
Please stand.